I took yesterday, oh, sorry, hi, good morning. I took yesterday off. Well, I did go dumpster diving, but no exercise or walking. I should have probably done I don't know, keep you from getting stiff kind of walk after the 10 miles at the theme park. But no, I rested. Plus, I hardly got any sleep. We did go dumpster diving this morning. I am up, I've got my coffee. It's chilly out here, my friends. And we are walking the kids to school. We will, of course, get our minimum 1 mile, maybe a teeny bit more. And then tomorrow, minimum 2 miles. We are 16 days out from Disney World. So, whee! I'm so excited. I'm so excited, but also very sore. We are going to spend quite a bit of time today stretching, some yoga, stuff like that, because, oh my goodness, it's necessary. Anyway, we're going to go get this done. Then we'll go back and finish the other exercises.